Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your date of birth on your Facebook account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your Facebook application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. And once you are logged in, you will end up within your home feed. Now, if you wish to change your date of birth, tap on your profile picture or the menu icon at the top right corner, from which you can once again tap on your username. From this page, tap on Edit Profile and then scroll all the way down and you will see the Edit Your About Info option. Go ahead and tap on it and then you can scroll down once again and you will find your basic info. Tap on the Edit button and now you can enter your desired date of birth. Tap on the Edit in Account Center option, which will take you into your Account Center where you will be allowed to change your date of birth. Go ahead and tap on your currently set up date of birth and then choose your desired new date of birth once again. After choosing your date of birth, tap on the Set button and then you can tap on the Save button in order to save your desired changes. Once you have saved your changes, your date of birth on your Facebook account will be changed right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your date of birth on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.